Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can you install a BlueStacks app onto your PC. So this is the BlueStacks official website, and this app can be downloaded very simply. So if you see, there are different types of games that are supported by this, and by using this app, once you have installed BlueStacks on your system, then you can just use all these games. You can play them online or on your PC, and you can just read all about this app onto their homepage. But I guess if you have clicked on this video by reading its title, then I already know that what is BlueStacks. So what you need to do is go to BlueStacks homepage, bluestacks.com, and click on this download button. So it will download the setup for you, and once it is downloaded, you can just simply click on the exe file to install it. So I'm going to walk you through the installation process. If it asks for administration permission, just click on yes. Then it gives you this kind of a screen, so let's just click on install now. So it's going to take a bit of a time. That is the size is 159 MB, so depending upon your internet speed, it's going to take a few seconds, and once it is done, BlueStacks would be installed on your system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.